Okay, so the area that I really like is mechanical engineering. But I believe that mechanical engineering uh, is not a pure science like studying a nature or biology, but it is more like a applied science. But still, it's a science. I know this scope, or I know this mechanical engineering when I was in my university year, because it it was one of my courses in my major, and I learned it from class and then from my lecturer, and I also learned it by myself when I will have a free time during my weekend. And the things that makes the things that the thing that makes uh, the the things that I the things that make me enjoy it to study mechanical engineering is because uh, there is a way they call 3D modeling in mechanical engineering, and through 3D modeling I can make things in my mind can be true. I can make all things in my mind through 3D modeling, even if it is only on my computer. And on top of that, I also like to solve a problem to make a 3D modeling. That's why it is really interesting to me. And I think that's all that I wanted to say. First question: which other areas of science are taught in your country? uh, there is a lot of scope of science that we learn in especially in our high school, such as biology, chemical, physics, and mathematics in our country. And I believe that uh, all students in my country have learned that kind of science also as well. Do you think it is important that people learn about science? I think it's important to learn a basic science in your life. At least you know uh, something that is a danger for you or harmful for you. So that's why maybe some people don't think that basic science is important for them, but I believe that some of them also thinks that the basic science is really important for them. Should everyone continue studying science after they have finished high school? uh, I don't quite agree with this statement, uh, because I believe that some people don't like about science, and I think they if they don't like science, so they should not learn or continue their study about science after high school. But also from me, I only learned about science, or I only continue study about science in a field of something that I only like like such as 3D modeling, like applied science. But if I'm talk about like physics, chemical, or biology, I don't quite enjoy to learn that, so that's why I don't continue to learn that science after I graduate from high school. How does science influence our everyday lives? I think uh, for the people that don't really for people that don't really know about science, a science like me, I would say there is no big influence for my life, but I believe that for a scientist, science has a big influence or a big impact in their life to learn something new. How can people find out about the science news? Um, you know that the internet in recently um, is easier to access than before. So I think that most of most people most people can find an most people can find news from their their internet browser, uh, like such as BBC or CNN. Those channel or those news also give a specific field of science if you want to learn something. So I think that's one of the way that people can access news from their internet. Do you think that scientists should explain their findings to the public? I think scientists have to release their findings if only they find something interest or something that something that have done with their work. So I think community only want to know about the result, not the process. So that's why I think scientists can publish their findings only if they have done or have finished uh, with their findings. Do you think that people nowadays trust scientists? Yes, of course. Even back then, when there is a conspiracy theory about moon landing, that many scientists, a lot of scientists, said that the moon landing in from America is real, but uh, people also people also get some of suspicious things that we can say that the moon landing is a fake. So that's why uh, people nowadays have a trust issue with the scientists. What could be done to make people trust information based on research? I think that one of the things that scientists can do to make people more more belief to their findings is to give the explanation of the findings, such as give the example and the proof of what they have found on the experiment, or even they can share the data and publish it to the public or community, so that people can understand what they are trying to do. What could be done to make people trust? Udah. Do you think that the speed of science discoveries will increase in the future? Yes, because I think science will be skyrocketing advance because of the demands of the country or the people that really need to have a new things like a technology. For example, when I was in my university year, we only have a ChatGPT version 1, but now we already have a 6th generation of ChatGPT, which is really good and more quick than before. I think that's all from me. Thank you.